Well, here I am. I was on the highway last night and I was going about 140 and lost power. No check engine lights prior or any warning lights. So I think it's one of three things. It's the DIC or my fuel pump or my crank position sensor. I do have a engine code for map performance. So I don't know. I don't think it would be that though, just because I had a no start. So, anyways, last night I couldn't get it to start. I got to start one more time, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to replace this, and then hopefully that's what it is. If not, it'll be a bit more work. So I'll update. Okay, so I went ahead and I replaced the DIC. I had a genuine saab replacement. It was an older one I had, and had the battery charging all night, so I got full charge. And I'm really hoping that's what it is. So I'm about to fire it up. Keep in mind that I had the cassette sitting upright all night long. You want to make sure that you don't have it sitting on its side and then try using it. So, anyways. All right, so it's definitely not the ignition. I'll have to go from here.